Jonathan! What is that, Jonathan? Jonathan, why are you going so fast?
He wants to see the car, that's why.
Jonathan, what is that?
My car.
Huh?
Car.
Your car?
Yep.
Where are you going to go in it?
You and Papa Joe.
You and Papa Joe? Where y'all going to go? Pick up babes? Huh?
Off the street.
Y'all going to go pick up babes?
Yeah. Off the street.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Hey, Papa Joe.